The Plesmi YouTube channel is a great way to stay informed about the latest news, trends, and developments from around the world. Whether you're interested in business, politics, science, or entertainment, the Plesmi YouTube channel has something for you.
Confucius, the renowned Chinese philosopher who lived around 551 to 479 BCE, exerted a profound and lasting influence on Eastern philosophy. His philosophical system, known as Confucianism, revolves around the cultivation of moral virtues and ethical conduct. At the heart of Confucianism lies the concept of ren, which refers to benevolence, compassion, and humaneness. Confucius emphasized the importance of filial piety, respect for elders, and the pursuit of knowledge for personal development and the betterment of society. His teachings, compiled in the Analects, became the cornerstone of Chinese culture and served as a guiding force in shaping East Asian societies, including Korea, Japan, and Vietnam. The Confucian emphasis on social harmony, moral leadership, and the importance of family and education has endured through the ages, leaving a lasting impact on the region's traditions and value systems. Today, Confucianism's influence can still be felt in modern East Asian societies, as it continues to shape their cultural norms, ethical beliefs, and social interactions. Confucius remains a revered and iconic figure in the history of world philosophy, with his profound wisdom and moral teachings continuing to resonate with people worldwide.